Everyone, welcome back in a series of Java problem solving with the JavaScript. Next problem what we are having, longest palindrome substring. First of all, we need to understand what is a substring. Substring means if we are reading from forward or backward, that both are equal or same. So that is called a palindrome. And take example, we are having a string A, like BABAD. So if output will be this much, BABE. If we reverse this and read, same thing we are going to get. This is a valid. So here we are having a 3. So we need to return the substring, not their length. So ABA is the valid answer. Like take example, next example we are having a CBBC. So BB is the two are, like if we are reversing that and reading that, that is like a substring. So first I'm going to solve this with the brute force. So what happened, first we need to check any given string, any given string. First we need a one method which is going to check your palindrome, any given string is a palindrome or not. So is palindrome, we can do that. So for that what we need to do, string. This is a brute force solution, so complexity will be high. So I will solve with this first. Let take example, left starting index of that, left will be 0, comma, and right right will be string dot length, string dot length. Length minus 1. This is a like a starting index, and this is a last index of our string. This we to defined. What we need to do, we need to check, like compare from last and starting, both are like going in the same way or not, then only we going to get palindrome. So if left is greater than right, if you are coming running from this is a left and this is a right, so both we are checking, this index is less than this one, like last index, so that is what we are checking in this while loop first. And if we are going to check string of left not equal to string of right, it means our left and right, both the end, if you start, like take example here, left, this is a right, if we're going to check, so this is like a equal. So and if we going to check from this and this are not equal, so what happened, sudden we need to return a false. False. Okay, false. Small screen. This is the base case, and what we need to do, that if that case is not there, then left we need to increase by 1, this is a plus operator, right, right, we're going to decrease by 1, correct, and all the this alteration is done. So what happened, it means nothing went wrong, like everything is coming equal, then we need to return true. This is a first, your given string is a palindrome or not. Next what we are going to do, we need to going to find the substring of this, all the substring what we are having in this. So next what we are going to do, we are going to take an example. Take example size, So const size equal to string dot length, correct. And let longest string we need to return, correct. Longest string what we have, long str string. Initially this is a empty, correct. And next what we final answer what we need to give, this is a result string only, longest string. So return this one, return this one. So this is a basic what we are going to do. So next what we need to do, we need to like going to find out the all the substring of this string, given string. How we are going to do, const for loop लगा लो, for loop let I equal to 0 and I will be going till n size of string and next we are going to increase I plus plus. So if we are going to start from here, this is just like starting index 1 2 3, this is just like one way. So we are not knowing from where to where we are having a next point to be considered in a substring. So what we need to do, again we need to put a for loop, let j equal to I plus 1. Like if one is string, one index is this, then next will be this. So this is become a one separate substring, correct. And j will be always less than or equal to n. This is going to till n, all the like if you are having a j here to till this, all are considered in a one substring. And what we need to do, j plus plus, this is one. So substring we need to find out of this by this const sub sub str string. How we are going to do, string dot splice will be going to return a substring of that, from where to where, which index you are considering for a that string. So first will be here I, and second index will be from to where j, this is j. So this, and if you got a substring, then we need to check this string is like a substring of that or not. So first that you can put a if condition, and here you created a is palindrome. First you need to check that string is a palindrome or not. So pass that substring, it is going to return a boolean value for you. And next what we need to check, you need to check longest, correct. So this is already given previous string, dot length is greater than long less than, if that is less than, then substring dot length. If this is there, then you need to update your longest string. So longest string become a substring. This is a brute force solution for this. So I can explain each and every one step by step. Take example, here we created a checking a is palindrome or not. Palindrome is like we are checking reverse order and forward order, that things are equal. Second, we taken a string size and we created one result string where we are having a empty initial value, we don't have anything. Next what we are going with a for loop of I with the 0 and till length of string, and I plus plus we are doing. Second loop is like a next index of the I and till n and equal to the n, last position also we need to consider. and j plus plus. And substring we are bringing. So here if you want to check, so you can put a console what is the return, how you are getting log. See what is the returning substring when we are passing one string. See, oh size, this is become a size. Yeah, size only, correct. Yeah. And this, see, I consoling due to that that is giving a problem, not a. See, every string like first time we having a b, up next substring is a b, a third string is this, fourth string is this, fifth string is this, like that every substring they are creating and they are checking. Okay, okay, no need to consider this. Okay, run. Is longest is small. This is a spelling mistake. See, this is a running, this is a broad force code. Here the complexity will be more higher, so I can submit and show you they are going to accept or not. See, they saying like time exceeded if we are having a long string, because we written a brute force solution of this, so we going to optimize this. So this is a one solution we can put in a. Okay, we can put in this in the comment, and we are going to solve with another approach where we are going to solve this. Okay, okay. So here we are, what we are going to do, here we having like a approach of like dynamic programming, which is like if we are if you are having a longer string this much, so that two for loop n square complexity, due to that that is like a exceeding a time, so timing out. So here what we going to do with another approach, longest palindromic string. So we going to take a first of all string size const n equal to string dot length, length. Second, we need to create a one field array with a size of the size of string, array with the size of an string, and that will be filled with a 0, filled with a 0, anything you can put, but 0 1 is like a binary coding we are doing, and we are mapping this with the creating a map. Map is a JavaScript inbuilt function for like iterating on the for and returning that new array. Okay, map dot. This is like a little bit like a challenge, like a, you can say complex rather than that, because we need to solve the complexity. So this is like we created a array, correct, 2D array this is become. Now we going to take example, let k is equal to, this is a one initial index value, correct, and let max x is equal to 1, and we need to loop through these all. So okay, I'm writing everything one by one. After that I can explain you. Let I equal to 0. Okay, okay, again one for okay. This is become a j for me. J. Okay, j will be I plus 1. I plus 1. I plus 1, and j will be less than n. Less than n. Okay, and j plus plus. Okay, this is one what we are having, and we are going to 2D array what we are created. We are going to check that f of I, f of j by default false. We are filling a value, they are false, right? First index, because how much we are having a string, then and that much number we are like a 2D array we are created by that with the value of prefix. This if yes of we are going forward bar okay. Writing ij is always, and here we are going to check max what we are having. So j minus I plus 1 is there, then mx equal to same thing what we did for that, but there we are working on a that is string, and k we are equal to I. Okay, how I can format this? I'm going to make this shorter, and here we need to return like a, from a string we here we are going to get a starting index and ending index. So k will be starting index of that substring, and ending index will be k plus max from where to where. So return yes dot splice only we going to use for this also, for returning that string. Submit this, let's see what is the output. Complexity, yeah, that is solved, accepted, thank you.